everyone. So let's continue a little bit more before Wednesday. 8.2. So you're going to learn how to find the lengths of two kinds of line. First one, horizontal line, and the second one is vertical line. Okay. So let's take a look on the first case. There are two horizontal lines. So let's take a look on CD first. So CD, we see that their y coordinate are the same, which is on level 4. Okay. And then let's take a look on the two x coordinates. First one 6. So let's take a look, see if you still remember. Okay. So 6. This is 6. So that means this blue line is equal to 6 units. Okay. For here we will have the units. Okay, not cm. So we call 6 units. That means like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Then the second one, which is 1. Therefore, here is 1. So this one obvious. For CD, it's talking about 6 minus 1, right? Okay, it's talking about this. So for CD is equal to 6 minus 1, which is the 2 x coordinates, the bigger one minus the smaller one. Alright, we'll go on to the second one. So this one, the 2 y coordinates are negatives. This is -8. This is -2. So that means if I give you 2 distance, you're able to tell me this is 8 and the shorter one is 2. So if we do subtraction, that means this is what, right? So that means 8 minus 2. Okay, the longer one minus the shorter one. So the answer will become 6 units. Okay, but how about, can we still use the same way as before doing subtraction? So as before, will be the larger one minus the smaller one. So let's take a look here. So the larger one is -2, and then minus the smaller one, which is -8. See if we can get the answer. -2, so here become plus, and then reverse. So yes, we can get the answer, which is 6 units. Alright, so here we found that we can use the x coordinates and then doing the subtraction from the bigger one minus the smaller one, then we can get the answers. Alright, let's take a look to the second case here. So this one 4 and -3. So again, going down, this is 4. Going down, this is -3. So this one is easier. So which is 4 minus -3. Alright, and if I give you 2 lines again, so this is 4. And this one left hand side, if I ask you for length only, 3 only, we still get the answer, which is 4 plus 3. Okay, so this is 7 units. Alright, let's move on to the second kind of lines, which call vertical. So for vertical line, actually we we have the same x coordinates. The x coordinates are the same. So let's take a look on case 1. That means this time we should use the y coordinates. So this one going towards the y coordinate, which is -1, and this one -5. So the longer distance is 5, the shorter one is 1. So therefore this one, the green one, would be 5 minus 1. Alright, so see if we still use the same way to get the same answer. This one should be equal to 4. So -1 is larger, so let's see -1 minus -5 plus 5. So 5 minus 1, oh yes, this is equal to 4. So we still can use the same way, but this time we are working on y coordinates. Actually, just the 2 different coordinates. Alright, oh, last one, ij. Okay, here 4 and 2. Alright, so this is 4, this is 2. So longer one 4, shorter one 2. So 4 minus 2. Alright. So ij is 4 minus 2, 2 units. Oh, and then last one, which is KL. So this is 3. This is -2. So this one is 3. This one is 2. So the answer is 5. Again, we can use subtraction on 2 different coordinates. 3 plus 2, so which is 5 units. Oh, let's sum up what you have learned here. So today you have learned a new concept to find the lengths of horizontal line and the lengths of the vertical lines. So for horizontal line, we will make use of 2 x coordinates. So we make use of the 2 x coordinates, and then for vertical lines we will use the y coordinates. Alright. So both of them actually we are working on the same way, which is the larger one, the larger coordinates minus the smaller one. So let's do 2 simple questions. Alright, question 1, AB. Find a distance between the following pairs of points. That means you're going to ask for the length of CD and EF. So we can figure out the 2 different coordinates to do the subtraction. So this one, 3 minus -2. Alright, so both of them also equal to 5 units. Don't forget the word units, okay? Alright, next page. Oh, one more. So this one you are actually given the graphs so easily. Okay, so we just plot out the 2 coordinates. For PQ, 5 and -6.5. So 5 minus -6.5. So 11.5. Okay, QR, the 2 different coordinates is 9 and -3. So 9 minus -3. Alright. So answer is 12. Alright, so last one. So last one given 2 points. Well, there are 2 parts. First of all, determine. Okay, that means you need to tell whether the line passing through them is a horizontal or vertical line. So let's take a look on the same coordinate, which is y coordinates. So if we're going to plot it out, you still remember plots, right? Plots. -5 point, okay, here, which is K. And then 9.6, 2.7, L. Okay, so this one 2.7. Okay, so this is a horizontal line. All right, so we can give out the reason because they have the same y coordinates. Okay, y coordinates. Therefore, KL is a horizontal lines. Okay. Second one for B. Calculate the distance between them. That means we're going to find KL, length of KL. That means we are going to pull out the two different coordinates. So actually this is 9.6 and this one is negative 5.4. That means 9.6 minus negative 5.4. Alright, so add them together, which is 15 or 15 units. Oh, that's it today. So please go on to finish the class work. Okay, class work 8.2A today. And the solution will be uploaded later. See you on Wednesday.